everybody, Alex Employee here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we want to discuss time zones and aligning various time zones. A client recently asked me in an email how to align his local time with the Asian market open, with the UK market open, the US market opening, and aligning a couple of announcements, and also aligning GMT to his broker server, and then also aligning the set files that he's using to his broker servers. They all involve different time zones. So a tool that I've been using for most probably 20 years is a website called Time and Date. So what you do is you go to Time and Date, you click on time zones, and you say, I want to create a meeting. So you go in there. Now, then you can actually list as many locations as you want, and then compare the times at those various locations at the same time. And I'll just give you an example. So the first one, let's say the first one is GMT, because most times want to be compared with GMT. So the next one, let's say that is London. So we go and we find London. Then let's say New York is your next time. So we say New York. Then we say this client was in fact in Hong Kong. So we go Hong Kong, and then let's take Tokyo as another example, and we'll go to Tokyo. Those are enough locations to give you an idea of how this tool works. So then all you do, once you've listed all of those times, all you do is you click Show Timetable, and it will then show you the timetables of those particular times. There's the GMT one, London, New York, Hong Kong, and Tokyo. There are and it actually, what I like about it, it shows you when it's nighttime, when it's daytime, and that type of thing. So you can actually see where, firstly, those particular aspects, but you can also, like at the moment, there's the alignment that's happening right now. So Hong Kong is 12 o'clock noon, Tokyo is 1 p.m., New York is 11 p.m., and London is 4 a.m., and GMT is also 4 a.m. So you can immediately see an alignment of those 4 times or 5 times. You can now obviously add as many times as you want, and then get a good alignment of the various times. Let's say there's an announcement in the US, in New York, at let's say 8 o'clock is a common time when those announcements happen, and you are located in Hong Kong and you want to actually watch that announcement, then you know that you need to do that at 9 o'clock in the evening. It's a pretty handy tool, been using it for literally decades, and I thought I'd just make a video to give you an idea of how I use that tool. So for me, Alex Employee, cheerio. Just a quick disclaimer, this video has been made as an educational, entertaining, and informative video for its viewers. It is not personal advice, and what works for some traders might not work for you. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. Trading is very risky and you can lose all your capital. It is not a get-rich scheme. Past results do not guarantee future results. There is no guarantee of easy success or good results in Forex trading. You cannot achieve the same results in the future by simply copying strategies and settings used by other traders in the past.